Now it's much easy for you to get your Gitcoin Passport score above 20 if you are farming the ZkSync era airdrop. Now before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research. Now Gitcoin Passport had tweeted like 5 days back that they would be adding a new stamp for ZkSync transaction activity. Now I think they have personally added this stamp because my Gitcoin Passport score is up by 7. Now they have mentioned few pointers over here. So as you can see, this new stamp will assess if the activity is scripted or generated by real humans. And also each L2 stamp will be worth less than the Ethereum activity, because it's fair to be honest, because the gas fees on the Ethereum mainnet is higher as compared to those on L2s. Now this thing is very important that this Gitcoin Passport will enable ZkSync users to publish their passport on chain, which will unlock a number of use cases for ZkSync DApp. Now I am not sure what they meant by this, but there might be few utilities here and there for Gitcoin Passport on different DApps, like maybe SyncSwap and then the ZkSwap and some other like Velocore, Reactor Fusion. You may never know. And lastly, they have also mentioned that this will help prevent the botting and the Sybil attacks. Now the first thing that you can do is you can go to guild.xyz over here and search for Gitcoin and try to get both of these roles over here, which is Gitcoin Passport and Gitcoin. Now you might have to hold certain Gitcoin NFTs in order to get these roles fully. Now I haven't got it because I don't hold the Gitcoin NFTs, but let me go ahead and check exactly how much is the price for this Gitcoin Passport NFTs. If it's like decently priced, then I might go ahead and get one. Now you have to go to Gitcoin Passport over here and you have to refresh your stamp. Now I have already refreshed my stamps, and that's the reason why it's not showing a new Web3 stamp, but I did it like few minutes back and I got my score up by 7. Now once you do this, all you have to do is you will need to go to your dashboard. So as you can see, my humanity score went from something like 26 point something to 33.71. Now I am not sure from where I got this 7 points, to be honest, because I think I received a few points from this NFT over here, and if you hold like a bit of NFTs on the Ethereum mainnet, then you would be eligible for a total of around 16 points, I think so, for this. For Gitcoin staking, I have already received like 11.11. No, these are 11.11 available. I have received like 3 points in this. Now this one is the old one which I know of. Now I think I received these points on ZkSync era. Now this engagement explorer was the old one, and now I think L2 believer and verified transactor are the new one. But that roughly equates to only like 2.2 to 2.3 points. And they also have something called as a ZkSync champion, which is giving another 1.67 score. Now I haven't received this because it's only for leading users who significantly contribute to and influence the ZkSync community. Now with regards to guild.xyz, you can get some additional points over here on guild memberships and role. Now I think rest of the points I'm not sure from where I got. I think from Holonym, because Holonym gave me like 16.03 points, which I have proven uniqueness using Holonym with a government ID. So I've used my passport or maybe driving license if I don't remember correctly, and then you can get some additional points over here. Now as you can see, if I remember correctly, 10 to 15 days back I was around 23, then I went to 26, and now it's like 33.7. So pretty much it's easy to get some points. And I think I've also received some points from this one, I think so, add collected stamps. So if I go ahead and click on this, as you can see, I have claimed this linear stamp over here, and if you want to go ahead and update, you can go ahead and update this. And please note that for minting these stamps it will cost you like $2. Now I don't have enough balance on my Optimism, that's why I haven't minted the Optimism one, but I will transfer few Ethereum on the Optimism network and go ahead and mint this. I think so after minting this might get me some additional points, maybe like 35 to 40 maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure how much points it's giving, because I think I got this from Linea, some additional points. But you can go ahead and check it if you have the balance, and leave the comment in the description. So this is all for this video, and how you can get some additional points on the ZkSync era ecosystem and humanity score. And I personally feel that once again that this should be an important criteria, at least for the multiplier of ZkSync era airdrop. And since the new stamp has come up, I don't think the snapshot is done yet for ZkSync era, and hopefully we get some good governance news in few days from ZkSync era, followed by ZkSync era airdrop checker, and hopefully ZkSync era airdrop, because the community has been waiting for very long. And hopefully all the people who have been actively transacting and also farming the ZkSync era airdrop will be decently rewarded. So this is all for this video, and thank you for watching this video.